guys, it is Elise McDowell here from House of Brazen. I am a money mindset and business mentor for women entrepreneurs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 manifestation tools I love to use all the time. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Number 1 is the Lucky Bitch money tracking app. Now, maybe I'll put it up here or something. I use this every day to track my income. It is a fantastic little tool to use to track your income daily. Now, if you remember years ago, maybe in the first year of my business, I talked about tracking money and how tracking it actually helped me to increase my income because I was more aware and more present to the money that was coming in. And so what it wound up doing was creating this flow of energy to the amount of money that I was making all the time. And therefore, the more you think about it, the more you pay attention to it, the more you're present to it, the more it increases. And so, of course, paying attention to how much money is coming in every day makes more. It naturally brings in more. So this is one little awesome tool that I love to use every single day that is super easy to use. All I have to do is jump on Teachable and Sendal and on WordPress to find out how much money is coming through, or through PayPal or Stripe, and then I just add the lump sum into the app. The second thing I use is, well, it's more like a book. It's more like a resource tool, and that is this amazing book here called Creating Money. I love this book. It is old. It is a really old book. This is my mom's book. She has had this for years. But I love this because it is just straight manifestation tools. Like, it's no fluff, no like, you know how like some of the newer money mindset and manifestation books are just real fluffy, and I'm just like, no. Give me just straight practical stuff with good education about the topic. Creating Money is my absolute favorite book now. So as you can see, I have brought this with me on my travels because I'm in Spain. And this is the one book that I take with me everywhere to just refer to whenever I am wanting some inspiration, whenever I want to reiterate something that I'm thinking about, or if I just want something to do while I'm on a plane or on a bus or on a train. It's a good book. Get yourself a copy. And the third manifestation tool I use is actually Oracle cards. So if you've been following me a while, you'll know I am super into Oracle and Tarot cards now. But this particular deck, called the Wild Offering, is my favorite one because it's absolutely beautiful. Like, all the illustrations and all the cards are really beautiful. But I've found that with using these cards specifically, it helps me get clear on things when I'm too stuck in my head, because you know how a lot of people use different tools to connect with God or with the universe or with source or with spirit. For me, I use cards because I'm a very visual person, as you might know, so I visualize a lot. So for me, when I'm stuck in my head too much, what I'll do is I'll actually go to these cards to help myself understand more or get the guidance that I need. And the cool thing about these cards is that they just have a word and then an affirmation on them. And so this is the forgiveness card, which is perfect, and I love it because it's so pretty. And the affirmation is, healing comes from acceptance. Help me, dear Lord, to fully accept what is, knowing that this alone will open me up to the new. And I swear, the more I use these cards and the more connected to them I become, the more the messages that come through are really spooky a little bit, spookily accurate, where I'm just like, ooh, okay. Right, got your message, sorry. Or I'm like, well, thanks, I really needed that. And it's great, it's just good for pep talks, it's good for clarity, it's good for helping me make decisions, especially in my business, again, when I can't figure it out myself. And it gives me guidance when I need it, anything, if I need advice on a business strategy or some kind of product that I'm thinking of bringing out. I'll use these, these are always my go-to, and then I have tarot cards as well. And it just helps me that way. So the cards might not be something for you, but think about what you naturally do as your natural thing for a manifestation tool, and then think about something that you can do to help you cultivate that more. So for me, visualization is my main tool, but sometimes I'm too much in my head, so the cards help me get out of it and see like the message and help me get clarity to move forward, right? Hopefully that all made sense. Okay, so that is it for me today. Those are my 3 favorite manifestation tools right now. I would love to know in the comments below what your tools and resources are that you use. Is it a book? Is it an app? Is it something different? Is it crystals? Is it saging? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, I would love it if you could subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next episode.